Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Park the Mini Cooper on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable to avoid electrical issues while working near the hood. Open the hood and prop it securely. Inspect the hood scoop for visible screws, plastic clips, and adhesive beads along the bottom edge. Gather tools: T20 Torx driver, 8mm socket, ratchet, plastic trim tool, isopropyl alcohol, microfiber towel, and 3M adhesive remover. Note hood alignment gaps and plan to keep a 2 to 3 mm clearance to protect paint. Start by removing the 3 T20 Torx screws along the rear lip of the scoop. Keep screws in a small container labeled rear. Next, locate and remove 2 8mm nuts under the scoop near the center hood brace. These nuts secure metal studs. Insert a plastic trim tool between the scoop and hood at the front edge, and gently pry out 6 plastic clips one at a time. Support the scoop with one hand while loosening the last fastener so it does not fall and scratch the paint. With all fasteners removed, lift the scoop straight up using both hands and gentle rocking motion to break the remaining adhesive bond. Avoid twisting, which can bend clips. If adhesive resists, apply 3M adhesive remover along the seam, wait 60 seconds, then use the plastic trim tool to separate. Do not use metal tools on painted surfaces. Peel any foam gasket residue from the hood, then clean both mating surfaces with isopropyl alcohol and a micro.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.